Hey guys, today we're going to go through the basic functionality of a relay PC board, the different types we get, and how they work. Let's get into it. In front of us we have a 12 volt AC-DC switching 10 amps up to 280 volts AC. We also have a 24 volts AC-DC. It can switch up to 5 amps, 220 volts. We have a 220 volt AC relay which can switch 8 amps up to 250 volts AC. Let's go through how these relay boards work. As the relay sits here, it is in a normally closed state. It means the common COM and the normally closed NC is currently in a closed circuit, and when you apply 12 volts AC or DC, the relay switches from normally closed to normally open NO. When you remove the 12 volt AC DC, the relay switches back to common and normally closed. So the relay's resting state is normally closed, and when you apply power, it switches to normally open. The common or COM is your input. Because this is a 10 amp up to 220 volt AC DC switching relay, your input can be either 12 volts DC, negative or positive, or you can put up to 220 volts AC, neutral or live. A common use case for this relay would be to switch a AC device using DC current. You will connect positive and negative DC, and if you supply neutral into common and the DC circuit is turned on, it will use your neutral input and send it out of normally open to your circuit. For the next example, we have a 12 volt DC input. We are switching the positive on our DC side by turning the positive on and off, and then you will notice we have a bridging wire from negative bridged into common, which makes our input negative and our trigger is positive. And in this instance, we want to change the positive input to a negative output. So by using the positive trigger input and bridging the negative to common, when we apply power on the positive, the circuit switches from normally closed to normally open, sending negative current out of the normally open. So in our example, we have a LED light which is 12 volt, and we have the negative into our normally open, and we have our positive wired into the positive trigger. So using this relay, we're switching a positive trigger into a negative output by bridging the negative into common. So when we apply power to the relay, the LED light switches on. If we remove power from the relay, LED switches off. So in the resting state, circuit is on normally closed, and when you apply power, switches to normally open. Switch the power off, switches back to normally closed, and the LED turns off. And that's the basics of a relay PC board.